To apply food license, first thing what you need to do is go to Google and search for FoSCoS and click on the first link. I've given the direct link on description also. And then click on apply for new registration. Select general.
Then select your state. Now select your category. If you are into pickle business or any other food manufacturing business, select manufacturer. If you are into restaurants or something, select food services. Once you select the category, a drop down menu will appear. And on the drop down menu, select annual turnover up to 1.5 crore. Then scroll down and click on proceed. Then click on you are eligible for registration button. On the first column, you have to enter your name / your brand name. This is very important. And then you have to enter your turnover, then select your designation, then put your PAN number, and the system will verify your PAN number. One pop-up window will come. Then enter your Aadhaar card number, and just below that, like, you have to mention your business address. If you have problem in finding subdivision or village or anything like that, you can always do ChatGPT, because those information matter a lot. Just below that, enter your correspondent address and contact details. Below that, you will get an option number of years you want to apply for. It's better to apply for 3 to 4 years. Below that, you will get an option to select your food category, and when you select, like, make sure you click the save and add button on the right side. You can add as many categories as you want. Below that, FSM number is there, that is not required. And coming down, you need to add intended date of start and source of water supply. Now check the I declare button and click on save next. A map will appear and there is a pin pointer. You need to drag it down with your mouse and select your location. Then click on proceed, another window will open. And in this window, the most important thing is your login ID. You need to copy that login ID and paste it in a notepad and save it and keep it. Make sure you save your password also somewhere in notepad. Password should have one capital letter and one special character. This is something you should remember. And once you click on submit, system will send you a code and you need to enter that OTP. Now your sign up with the portal is successful, so now you have to go to the next step. Now this is the most important part, where here you have to upload a photo first. Like, you should sign photo somewhere in the corner. Every document you upload on this page should be self attested. That means you should sign it. For identity proof, you can use PAN card or any other other card or anything. Below that, there is other documents, right? On other document, drop down menu, first select proof of premises and then upload your rental agreement, and then upload it, and then, like, again select other document and upload your utility bill. This is also very important. Rental agreement and utility bill should be there. And for utility bill, you can use electricity bill or postpaid mobile bill. Now put tick mark on we declare that, and just below that there is a transfer online option. And once you click on pay button, you have to e-sign the document. Once e-sign is done, you will be taken to the payment page. And you will be asked to pay around 100 rupees. And once the payment is done, within 7 to 10 days, you will be getting the food license. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe my channel.